Did you know that 9 out of 10 drivers have absolutely no clue about the secret features hidden right inside their own cars? That's right, your vehicle is packed with clever tricks and hidden functions that even experienced drivers overlook. These features can make your life easier, keep you safer, and even save you money. But most people never discover them. So buckle up, because in this video, we are revealing 13 hidden car features no one talks about. And by the end, you will know your car better than the people who built it. Let's get started. Secret number 13. Secret key inside your fob. Your key fob isn't just a fancy remote. It's hiding an old-school secret most drivers overlook. Inside nearly every modern fob is a hidden mechanical key designed for emergencies. You can usually release it by pressing a small latch or sliding button on the side. This hidden key lets you manually unlock your doors if your fob battery dies or the electronic lock malfunctions. It's a lifesaver when you're stranded somewhere without power or your remote suddenly stops responding. Even better, in some vehicles, this secret key can also be used to start the engine by inserting it into a concealed slot near the steering column. It's one of those clever backup systems that automakers rarely mention, but when technology fails, this tiny piece of metal becomes your hero. Secret number 12. Auto down or auto up window trick. Most drivers think they have to hold the window switch the entire time to open or close it, but your car might be smarter than you think. Try pushing your window switch past the first click. You will notice the window automatically rolls all the way down or up without you holding it. That's called the auto down or auto up feature, and it's designed for convenience and safety. It allows you to instantly open or close windows while focusing on driving. But here's the cool part. Many cars even let you control all windows remotely using your key fob. It's a hidden luxury feature buried inside your everyday buttons, quietly making your car feel way more advanced than it looks. Secret number 11. Hidden storage under the trunk floor. Concealed storage compartment under your trunk floor is one of the most underappreciated hidden features in modern cars. Most drivers never lift that removable trunk mat, but doing so reveals a secret space perfect for storing tools, jumper cables, first aid kits. This hidden area was designed to help drivers organize the trunk without clutter, while maintaining a clean, flat cargo floor above. In SUVs and crossovers, this space often doubles as a compartment for a spare tire, with extra room around it for small accessories or cleaning supplies. It is one of those clever features that quietly improves your everyday convenience. Secret number 10. Cabin air filter, behind the glove box. Hidden deep behind your glove box is one of your car's most overlooked heroes, the cabin air filter. Most drivers don't even know it exists, but it quietly works every second you drive, filtering out dust, pollen, exhaust fumes, and even tiny pollutants before they enter your cabin. Over time, this filter gets clogged, making your AC weaker, your vents smell musty, and your air less breathable. Replacing it regularly, about every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, keeps your car's interior air fresh and your AC running at full power. It's shocking how much dirt builds up when it's ignored. Some filters even turn black from trapped debris. You can easily access it by removing the glove box and sliding the filter out of its housing. This hidden filter doesn't just protect your comfort, it protects your lungs and your car's entire ventilation system. Secret number 9. Steering wheel hidden shortcuts. Your steering wheel isn't just for steering. It is secretly a multifunctional control hub packed with shortcuts most drivers never realize exist. Those small buttons on your wheel can do far more than just adjust the volume or skip songs. Many modern cars hide programmable shortcuts that let you control vital systems without ever taking your hands off the wheel. For example, pressing and holding the voice command button for a few seconds can activate your car's assistant, letting you change music or set navigation destinations hands-free. The arrow or OK buttons often toggle through hidden dashboard menus where you can view fuel economy, tire pressure, or even trip data. Some vehicles let you customize these buttons in the infotainment settings. You can assign one to switch driving modes, mute the audio, or even control ambient lighting. Once you master these shortcuts, you'll feel like your car instantly responds to your every command, making every drive smoother, smarter, and much more connected. Secret number 8. Hidden fuel door release. Ever gone to refuel and found that your fuel door won't open no matter how many times you press the button? Don't panic. Your car has a hidden manual fuel door release designed just for moments like that. Usually, it is tucked inside the trunk lining or behind a small panel near the driver's seat, depending on the car model. It is a simple pull cable or lever that manually pops open the fuel door when the electronic release fails. This hidden feature can save you from an embarrassing call to roadside assistance or a delay at the gas station. In older cars, it's mechanical by design, but in newer ones, it's a smart backup for electric systems. It's one of those thoughtful details automakers add but rarely mention, quietly ensuring that even when tech glitches happen, you're never stranded. So next time you fill up, take a quick look. Knowing where it is might save you a lot of frustration one day. Secret number 7. Wiper blade maintenance mode. Ever tried to lift your wiper blades and realize they're stuck under the hood? That's where maintenance mode comes in. It's a hidden feature that moves your wipers into a vertical position for cleaning or replacement. To activate it, simply turn off the ignition and then press the wiper stalk up or down once within a few seconds. The wipers will automatically move to the middle of the windshield and stop there, allowing you to lift them up easily. After you are done cleaning or replacing the blades, turn the ignition back on or tap the wiper stalk again, and they will return to their hidden resting position. It is one of those maintenance secrets that make you feel like you've unlocked a mechanic-level trick right from your driver's seat. Secret number 6. Fuel cap holder. Have you ever noticed a small hook or slot inside your fuel door? That's not just a design detail, it's a built-in fuel cap holder. It's meant to hold your fuel cap while you're refueling. This prevents the cap from hanging against the paint, which can cause scratches or fuel drips. It also helps keep your hands cleaner, since you don't have to rest the cap on the ground or balance it awkwardly on the car body. Many drivers don't realize this feature exists and end up letting the cap hang freely, which can damage both the tether and paint over time. Once you start using it, you will wonder how you ever ignored it before. Secret number 5. Steering wheel adjustment lever. Many drivers don't realize their steering wheel can be finely adjusted for maximum comfort and control. Beneath the steering column, there's usually a small lever that unlocks the steering wheel's position. Once you pull or push this lever, you can move the wheel up, down, closer, or farther from you. After adjusting to your preference, lock the lever back to secure it. This feature helps improve driving posture, reduce arm and shoulder strain, and enhance visibility of the instrument cluster. Most people drive for years without touching it, unaware that a simple adjustment can make long drives far more comfortable and safer. If you have ever felt the steering wheel was too high or too far, this lever is your best friend. Secret number 4. Pull-out sun visor extension. Ever notice that small hidden piece that slides out from your sun visor? That's the sun visor extension, and it's one of the most overlooked comfort features in cars. When the sun visor doesn't fully block the glare from the side window, pulling out this hidden extension can give you extra coverage. It helps prevent eye strain and improves road visibility, especially during sunrise or sunset drives when sunlight hits from an angle. To use it, just slide the visor's inner panel outward. You will often feel a slight resistance as it extends. Many drivers don't even realize their visor has this feature because it blends perfectly into the design. Once you start using it, you will never go back to squinting through the sunlight again. Secret number 2. Shift lock override for dead battery. If your car's battery dies, you might find that the gear shifter is stuck in park, and that can be a major headache when trying to move or tow the vehicle. That's where the shift lock override feature comes in. It's a small hidden slot near the shifter, usually covered with a plastic cap. To use it, remove the cap and insert a key or screwdriver into the slot while pressing the brake pedal. This manually releases the lock, allowing you to shift into neutral, even with a dead battery. It's a lifesaver in emergencies, especially when you need to push your car off the road or into a safe spot. Secret number 1. Trunk emergency release handle. Trunk emergency release handle is one of the most important, yet often unnoticed safety features. This feature is designed to let someone trapped inside the trunk escape, especially in emergencies or accidents. It's usually a glow-in-the-dark handle or lever, often shaped like a person running, and it's located near the latch mechanism on the inside of the trunk lid. Pulling this handle instantly releases the trunk lock from the inside, even if the car is turned off or locked from the outside. This feature became mandatory in most modern vehicles after 2001 in response to safety concerns and accidental entrapments. What's amazing is that it doesn't require any power to function. It's purely mechanical. Next time you open your trunk, take a look under the lid. That small glowing handle might just be one of the smartest hidden safety features in your entire car. That's all for this video. So, how many of these hidden car features did you already know about? Cars today are full of small secrets that make driving smoother, safer, and more fun once you uncover them. If you enjoyed discovering these hidden gems, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more car secrets like these.